Welcome to Lisa's Story Corner. I am so glad you're here. Today we are talking about a very important topic, bullying. Have you been bullied before? Have you seen bullying? Are you the bully? Well, I hope not. But what can we do if we're bullied? What is bullying? Did you know there are 4 types of bullying? Let's learn about it. Ready? Stop bullying. Be a friend instead. What is bullying? Being mean to someone over and over on purpose. Type 1. The first kind of bullying is physical bullying. Pushing, hitting, punching, taking things that are not yours. That's physical bullying. It's wrong. Type 2. There is verbal bullying, saying things that aren't nice over and over. Nobody likes you. You're weird. You're dumb. Go away. You can't play. Saying things that are not nice again and again to someone is bullying. There is type 3, social bullying. When you tell people you can't play with us, you're not part of our group. You can't play ball, you can't play here on the playground. Or you tell other people, don't be his friend, don't play with him, don't play with her. That is social bullying. It's wrong. There is also a 4th type of bullying, cyberbullying. Saying things on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. You're not invited. Or posting, everyone thinks you're annoying. Or replying to comments like, you're so weird. Online meanness hurts real feelings. Be kind online. Be kind when you use social media. How does bullying make you feel? Sad? Scared? Angry? Lonely? What should you do if you're bullied? Tell a trusted adult, your mom, your dad, your teacher, your next door neighbor, whoever you trust. Tell an adult. They can help you. So be an upstander, not a bystander. Well, what's a bystander? You don't just want to watch someone being bullied. Help them. If your friend is being bullied, help your friend. Go tell an adult. Go and get help. Do not stand there and do nothing. Let's stop bullying now. Kindness is our superpower. Remember to always tell an adult if you're bullied. We're here to help you. So I'll see you in our next class. And remember, Lisa's Story Corner has several books that we've created about being kind and how to stop bullying. I will link all the books down below. Remember to be kind and enjoy playing with your friends and include others. See you in our next class.